Sir Patrick, kamusta po kayo? Bakit po kayo nagpa-home service? Ano pong nagiging concern niyo sa katawan?
Yan, so most likely yung ngalay sa lower back. Yan, doon talaga yung pinaka-main concern. Yan,
So lower back lang.
lower back, saka dito.
Good evening, Rock Nation. I'm Aster, your PT on the go, and I'm a chiropractic specialist. Now, andito tayo sa Capitol Heights 1. Tama?
Yes.
Yan. So, kasama natin sa bahay nila si Sir Patrick. Yan. Sir Patrick, kamusta po kayo? Bakit po kayo nagpa-home service? Ano pong nagiging concern niyo sa katawan?
Yan, so most likely yung ngalay sa lower back. Yan, doon talaga yung pinaka-main concern. Yan,
So, lower back lang.
lower back, saka dito.
O, gaano to kadalas? Or gaano kangalay ito? From 1 to 10? Yun yung pinaka-worst na naranasan ninyo.
Worst talaga, mga 10 talaga.
10.
Kasi parang namamanid na siya.
Parang hindi po kayo makatayo? Ganon?
Yun, parang ganun.
Okay. Simula saan? Dito?
Simula dito hanggang
pababa? Okay. So, tinitignan natin if ever man kung nagkaroon ng history si Sir na tinatawag natin na sciatica. Ano? So, yung sciatica is a pinching ng nerve doon sa ating lumbar spine, which is sciatic nerve na tinatawag. Ayan. So, aware po ba kayo doon? Hindi naman.
Aware naman, pero I think hindi naman siya sa case ng sciatica.
Yeah. So, if ever man na hindi talaga na siya diagnose, no, ng sciatica, ang tinitignan natin, it's either yung compression and misalignment sa ating lumbar spine or deformation na meron dito sa kanyang lumbar spine. Kaya, nagkakaroon ng pinching doon sa kanyang sciatic nerve. Alright?
Okay.
So, marami nang nagiging cause lahat. Ngayon, magkakaroon naman po tayo ng physical examination. Ready na kayo?
Ready na siya.
Yun, posture up. So, yan, pag nakaganyan po kayo. May nangangalay ba? May something else?
Dito banda.
Sa may left side.
Left talaga.
Okay. Tingin sa left. Yan, tingin sa right. Yan. Kamusta po yan? Anong nararamdaman?
Dito. Sa bandang left. Puro left talaga.
More on left lahat. Tingnan natin. Ngayon, tingala. Go. Yan. Ang normal is about 45 degrees here. Extension. Yan. Anong pakaramdam na ito?
Masakit. Dito.
Saan masakit? Right here. More on left lahat.
Left
Okay?
talaga.
Ngayon, ay yuhuyuko. Tutulak kita ng konti. Yan. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. O, kamusta po yan?
Masakit talaga dito.
Banda?
Left talaga.
More on left. O, ngayon, titignan natin yung shoulders ninyo. Okay? O, this one. All the way up. Dikit sa tenga. Kamusta yan?
Left talaga. Dito talaga.
Left
masakit.
talaga. May masikip, may masakit.
Parang may masikip.
Masikip. O, down. Mula sa harap. All the way up. Ilagpas sa tenga. Yan. Kamusta po yan? Hindi mo malagpas sa tenga.
Hindi
Okay ba?
talaga.
Ayan, hindi kaya. Ano pong naramdaman dito?
Parang ano siya. Ipit.
Ipit. Tight. Kumbaga. O, sige, down. O, ngayon, tignan natin itong lateral muscles. Push it. Twist. Yan. Ang normal is about here. Matigas?
Yes, matigas.
May masakit
Tight
ba?
talaga.
Kabila.
Yeah, mas
Good.
lalo yan.
Yan, ito. Here, dapat. Ayun. So, at least, napupunta pa naman dun sa pinaka-range of motion. Okay? Pero sobrang sikip lang.
Sakit na.
Ngayon, tiga natin. Stand up ka. Back bend. Ready? Go back bend. Okay, up. Kamusta yan?
Dito talaga.
Okay? May something na sakit or may nagbablock lang?
Parang may nagbablock lang.
Okay. Sige, ngayon, harap ka sa akin. Tignan natin yung pinaka-structure ngayon ng iyong spine. Okay? Bend forward. Yan, okay lang. Kahit hindi abot. Ayun. So, ito nga yung nagiging problema natin. So, development of misalignment. At the same time, mild scoliosis. Okay? Mataas na to, sir. Ito mababa. Okay? So, ito na yung tinatawag na develop. Ano pong work nyo ngayon?
Coach ako ngayon ng basketball.
Basketball?
Yes.
Okay. Ano pong edad?
Intercollegiate lang, usually 25 under.
So college?
Yes, college and senior high school. 18 under.
Ano pong school yung tinuturo?
Merida Queen.
Uy, Merida Queen. Yan. Picturean natin yung likod nyo para makita natin. Lahat.
Yes.
Sa left, yung curve. Okay? So lahat ng rib cage na nakapasok at nakakonekta sa ating vertebrae ng spine natin ay nag-twist na rin or umaangat na rin. Alright? So lahat ng ito ay development of a mild scoliosis. So, pag lumala ito, ang pinaka magiging cause is right here. Nagiging ganyan ka na. Okay? Dapat maiwasan natin at ma-prevent natin ito. So, lahat ng ito, ipe-prevent natin at gagawin natin ng paraan para at least mabawasan natin yung degrees na nade-develop sa mild scoliosis natin. Alright? Yan. So, ready ka na?
Ready.
May question ka pa?
Wala naman.
Wala naman. Sige. Ang unang gagawin natin, focus tayo sa iyong lower lumbar left. Okay? Sige, ganito tayo. So, more off right there. Lumbar number 3, 2, and 1. Okay, relax down. Good. Yuko. Relax. Here. Okay? So, right there. Open yung ribs. Yun. Open, open, open. Good. And then, right here. I will push this one. Here. Good. Yuko lang ha. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. How is it?
Sarap.
Good.
Good.
Ngayon, dito tayo sa mas lower side, sa lumbar 4 and 5 junction. Okay? Right naman over left. Yung ribs. Yuko. Yuko. Forward again. Yan. So, right here sa lower side. Okay? Right there. Yuko ng konti. Inhale. Exhale. Woo! Dami yan.
Grabe.
So, yun yung kailangan nating unang gawin para at least ma-ease yung ibang mga muscle pain or mangalay para magawa mo yung lahat ng procedures na gagawin natin. Alright? So now, dadapa na tayo. Lower extremities, muscles, and joints. Okay? Sa ating iliac crest, here, sacroiliac joint, and the pelvis here. Yan. Ngayon, i-check natin ha. Taas mo ito. Diretso. 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 Yan. Kamusta ito? Mabigat ba? May ngalay sa lower back? Wala naman.
May ngalay.
Sa banda?
Dito.
Yun. Okay, mabigat? Hindi. Sakto lang. Sige, kabila. Very nice. Okay, mabigat? Hindi.
Hindi naman.
Hindi masyado. So at least, medyo mataas naman at kayang-kayang mapunta dun sa pinaka-normal ratio of motion. But, kaya pa nating pataasin yan. Ready ka na? Yan. So here. This one. Let's see this one. This is the junction lumbar 5 and iliac crest. Right there. Ready? Inhale. Huwag magtitira. Exhale. Good. Nice. Okay, and then push it away. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Push it away. Good one. Nice. And then, stretch natin ito para ma-open up yung iliac crest. Ako magbubuhat ha.
Okay.
Ready? Hinga malalim. Exhale. Let it out. Let it out. Good one. Wow. Flexible pa ha. Inhale. And exhale. Relax lang. Good one. Nice. Alright. Ready? Hinga. Exhale. Yun. Mas tight ng konti. Exhale. Nice. Good one. Okay. Ngayon, ang gagawin mo, kung kanina pinataas ko tig isa, diretso. Ngayon, itataas mo dalawa. Sabay. Okay? Ready? Go up. Sige. Tigas. Yan. Tigasan ng puta. Good one.
Sarap.
How is it?
Solid.
So ngayon, para saan yon? Para sa iyong lower sacrum or yung pinakadulo ng tailbone, coccyx, and ating inner pubic bone. Kamusta?
Sarap.
Yan. Pull it and push. Ready? Hinga. Exhale. Clear. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Inhale again. Exhale. Clear. Last two. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Alright. Good. How was it? Dami nun ah.
Sarap.
Rib. Lower rib. Here. Hinga. Exhale. Clear. Hinga. Exhale. Nice. Hinga again. Exhale. Nice. Last one. Hinga. Out. Nice one. Okay, so next, dito tayo sa iyong thoracic. Exhale. Okay, so pag ito ay tight, ibang technique yung gagamitin. Exhale. Okay, tight again. So next, This is your rib joint here. Relax. Hinga. Exhale. Okay, so tight. Here. Relax. Hinga. Exhale. Tight nga. Okay? This one. I will push it away here to open your disc joint junction. Here. Para mo nito. Yan. Okay? Hinga malalim. Exhale. Relax yung shoulder. Good one. Nice. You good? Okay. Kabila. Here. This one. Yep. Hinga malalim. Exhale. Relax yung shoulder. Good. Nice. Okay ka lang?
Yes.
Good? Nice. And then, upo tayo. Open yung hands para makunong batok. Hawak sa akin. Yan. Okay? Ibaba ang siko. Yan. Ilak mo yan. Good, 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 good. Hinga. Exhale. Nice. How is it? Super dami. Okay? Yun yung malalim na part. Tignan natin kung ano yung history ng iyong ankles. Sige. Baba. Here. Relax lang. Good. Nice rotation. Very good. Okay. So, andun pa sa pwesto with your tibial bone and fibula. But your ankle, medyo nagiging pronated na. Kumbaga, wala na sa line. No? Here. Tignan natin to. Nice. Relax. Relax. Here. Good. Okay ka lang?
Yes.
Next, first is here, sa metatarsal. So, maraming areas dito sa ating foot dahil sobrang daming buto dito. Ano? Here. First, metatarsal, upper. Good. Here.
Solid.
Lower, metatarsal here. Relax. Okay, clear naman yung kabila. Next, navicular bone. Here. Upper. Twisted, twisted. Clear. Then, for your talus, here. Yan. Relax, relax. Good. Right there. Relax. Good one. Okay, clear. Inner side. Nice. Lower and outer side. Clear. Good. So, very good naman yung support ng Achilles and talus bone sa inner ankle joints. But, dito tayo sa cuboid bone. Here, upper. Okay, this one. Turn in. Upper, upper, upper. Good. Relax mo ito. Nice. How is it?
Yun lang talaga masasabi ko. Sarap.
Ramdaman mo dito?
Ramdam.
Next, sa iyong heel. Here, relax. Yan, ano mo to, lupay-pay mo yung iyong legs. So, dito tayo magsisimula. Right here. Good. Relax ito. Hoop, hoop, hoop. Yan. Turn in. Good one. Sige, turn in. Anong gawin mo sa balakang mo?
Dito.
Next, dito naman. Here. Metatarsal again. Nice. Clear. Middle. Okay. Clear. Nice one. Good. Right there. Relax. Here. Here. Good. Then, turn out. Turn out. Relax, relax, relax. Good one. Nice. Here. This one. Turn in. Relax ang shoulder. At relax ang iyong Nice.
Oh.
You good?
Yes. Grabe.
Kamusta yung tuhod mo? May nagbabother sa'yo once na tumatakbo ka, upstairs, downstairs,
Kaliwa.
left side.
Mm-mm.
Okay? May injury ka na ba dati?
Wala naman, pero parang sinusuportahan ko na yun pag nag-basketball.
Meron bang something na tumutusok or weakness?
Ano lang, siguro naiilang lang siguro. Parang ganun.
Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, distress or release yung tension between your knees. Right? Here, ganito siya. So, para maayos yun, ayusin natin yung iyong tibia and fibula bone right there. Good. Relax. Turn. Here. Relax. Clear. Good. And then, sa patella tayo. Here, patella. Here. Good one. Clear. Good. That's one. Outer. This is for your groin. Saan yung groin? Here. Yan. Relax.
Solid.
Here. So at least, very good lahat ng movement. Kamusta naman yung last blood test? You have mataas na uric acid?
Wala naman. Normal naman lahat.
Very nice. Clear. Good. Okay. Here. Open. Relax. Nice. Good one. Okay. Next ay para sa iyong balakang or sacroiliac joint. Good. Okay. Hawak. We'll push this one. Your sacroiliac joint or sa gitna ng ating pelvis. So, right there. Good. Hinga. Exhale. Good. Nice. Okay. Very good yung rotation and range of motion. See this one. Right there. Hinga malalim. Huwag magtitira ng hangin sa tiyan. Good. Again. Hinga. Exhale. Good. Nice. Clear. Very nice. So next, decompression of your lumbar. Lahat. Ang baga, lupay-pay lahat, especially yung lower extremities. Hawak ka lang sa akin. Yan. Sige. Hinga malalim. Exhale. Good. Nice. Saan mo siya naramdaman?
Dito.
Right there. So next decompression is for your cervical spine. Or pindutin yung tinatawag na trigger points. Here. So levator muscle. How's this? Masakit. Sensitive. Number 2. Here. Konting pindot pa lang. Masakit na. Number 3.
Masakit talaga yan.
Number 4. And 5.
Yung part na yung sakit.
Okay. Left traps. Masakit din. Acromion joint. Masakit din lahat. Okay? Dapat walang sakit. Sige, 1. Kamusta to?
Yan, sakto lang.
Sakto lang. Number 2.
Sakto lang.
Number 3.
Medyo may ano to.
Number 4. And 5. Yun. O, traps muscle.
Yan, tolerable naman. Wala
Good.
naman.
And acromion.
Yan, medyo, hindi masyado. Hindi ka
more on
tulad
left
dito.
lahat. Okay, sige. Unahin natin yung sa left, ha. So, ang gagawin natin is right positioning before mag-release ng tension. Yung. This is the number 2 right here. Good one. Sige. Hinga malalim. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Nice. Good. Alright. And down, up. Good. Hinga malalim. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Very nice. Nice.
Grabe.
Dami ah. Any pain?
Wala naman.
Any ngalay? Good. So next is a decompression or manual traction. I-check natin lahat kung gaano kalakas yung puwersa or i-calculate natin kung gaano kalakas yung puwersa na kailangan natin i-apply sa'yo. Alright? Inhale. Bite your teeth. Exhale. Bounce it. Nice. Very nice. Okay? So at least medyo mas mababa or light ng konti. Kasi hindi na natin kailanganin paabutin sa iyong lumbar spine. Alright? Ready? Hinga. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Nice. How was it?
Ramdam na.
Relax. Pahinga. And next, magpo-focus na tayo sa iyong muscle recovery. Next, sa ating muscle releasing. Okay. Ready? Go. Taas ng kamay. Ayun. Yun. Diretso yung kamay. Good. Sideward down. Side. Good. Nice one. All the way down. Good. Nice. Ganun dapat ang movement ha. So this time, ang gagawin mo, close fist, tigasan ang muscles, tigasan ang shoulder traps. Okay? Up. Sideward down. Very nice. Kamusta yun?
Ano?
Relax na ang kamay. Up. Sideward down. Opening ng traps to the tunnel, acromion joint here. How is it now?
Ano?
Good. So down. Okay. Same movement, same procedure. Okay. Go up. How's this? Okay. Diretso yung kamay. Diretso. Yun. All the way down. Side. Yan. How is this? Sa kabila. Wala masyado na. Okay. So this time, engage. Upper. And side. Good one. Okay. Relax na. Up. Nice. Down side. Nice one. Okay. How is it?
Okay.
Mas okay? Good. Next, ngayon, pipinch na natin ng pinindot natin kanina, especially sa left. Alright? So, ngayon, tignan natin ulit. Cervical 1. How's this?
Okay.
Good.
Wala.
Number 2. Nice. Number 3.
1.
4. And 5. Oh, kamusta? Anong difference?
Wala. Ang laki.
Kanina, konting pindot.
Pindot lang.
Masakit na, sensitive na, kumbaga. Okay? Sige, kabila. Number 1.
Okay.
Good. 2,
Okay.
3, 4, and 5.
Okay siya.
Good. See the difference? Alright. The bones. Ayan, may tumutunog. Alisin lang natin yan. Check natin yung pain. Here. Natin? Meron. Meron. Okay. Clear sa taas. Here. Good one. Nice. Last 2. Upper. Here and middle. Good. Nice one. Okay. Push it and stretch. Good. Nice. Clear. And then elbow. Relax, relax. Clear. Elbow here. Upper. Relax. Good. Lower side. Nice. Any pain?
Okay.
Wala. Nice. Clear. Okay. Good. Nice. Here. Relax ang elbow. Good one. Last one sa middle. Good. Nice one. And then, right here, relax. Nice. Alright. And then, your elbow. Here. Nice. Turn. There. And down. Nice. Okay. Check natin ito. Yun. Okay. Good. Nice. Wala na? Check natin sa shoulders. Sit down. Ganito. Yan, ganito. Yan, okay. So ngayon, ipupush kita paharap. Pipigilan mo ako, sir. Okay? Sige. Ready? Pigil. Pigil pa. Lakas. Very clear. Again. Pigil. Nice. Here, yuko. Turn in, relax. Push it. Nice. Good. Kabila. Okay, here. Nice. Last one. Okay. Yuko. Lapay pa ito. Yan, lapay pa ito. Good, yuko. Clear. Good, kabila. Yep, lapay pa ito. Good one. Clear. Okay, sa ears, ang benefit nito ay para sa ating better hearing senses. Okay? At yung balance, sense of direction, at the same time, yung ear pressure, marirelease natin ito. Okay? Yung airflow, mas magiging maayos. Yan. If ever you have sinusitis, connected din yan. At para mas maayos yung recovery ng ating temple muscles. So, if you have migraine, headache, etc. Okay? Dahil nakakonekta yan dyan at dito sa ating temporal bone. Here. Snap it. Good. Nice. Good. Kabila. Yeah. Good one. Relax. Snap it. Good one. Nice. Okay? This is the sensitive part of our ears. Here. So, 1. So, good evening again, Rock Nation. And we're done with Sir
Patrick.
Yun. So, Sir Patrick, kamusta ang experience ng ating therapy?
Basta masarap. Yun lang masasabi ko.
Yan lang yung masasabi
Oo.
nyo.
Relax.
Happy ka naman?
Happy.
So, ngayon, magkakaroon ulit tayo ng physical examination. Before and after ba? Okay? Ready ka na? Posture up. Yan. Kamusta ito?
Okay na, walang ano dito. Sa kaliwa.
Nice. Kamusta yung kanina at ngayon? More of left yung nararamdaman mo, di ba? Yan.
Luwag. Sobrang luwag.
Sobrang luwag. Okay? Tingin sa left. Yung. Tingin sa right. Yung. Oh, kamusta?
Layo ah.
Kanina, saan lang?
Yan, dito.
Yan. Tsaka medyo masikip talaga.
Oo.
Tingala. Yan. Oh, normal is about here. 45. How's it?
Okay naman.
Nice. Kanina, pag pinutulak kita.
Sakit.
Okay? Ngayon, tigan natin yung shoulders mo. Here. Yan. Go. Dikit sa tenga. Yun. Kamusta?
Okay, walang ano.
Walang effort?
Maluwag.
Good. Walang ka-effort. Sobrang gaan. Kumbaga. Nice. Okay. Mula sa harap. Ngayon, lagpas sa tenga. Go up. Oh, kamusta ngayon?
Nagpas na. Kanina hindi umabot.
Good. Okay. Stand up. Back bend. Let's see. Here. Very nice. How is it?
Wala namang ano. Hindi katulad kanina na ano.
Merong tension. Good. Nice. Ngayon, tignan natin yung pagkakaiba ng pinaka-root cause mo, which is yung development ng scoliosis. Tignan natin. Forward bend. Nice. Okay? So, kung kanina ay sobrang nakataas ito. Okay? Ngayon ay konting-konti na lang. Oh, good. So, ito kanina ay sobrang taas din.
Hi Rock Nation, I'm Coach Patrick of Merida Queen College of Quezon City. Before, sobrang tight ng pakiramdam ko, pero na-check ni
Coach Astor.
Coach Astor, yon. So, naging ano siya, maluwag. So, highly recommendable sa mga katulad yung nakakaramdam ng ganito.
Nice. Thank you so much for
Yan.
trusting, sir.
Thank
Okay?
you. Thank you rin, Coach.
Coach.
Thank you. Coach.